Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 103. And if we start with this box, we're missing a 6. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 3 here and a 6 here, so this is our 7. 3 here, so 6, 3. For this row, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 9. That 8 makes this our 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 5, 6. For this column now, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 4 here and a 7 here, so this is our 5. That 4 makes this our 7, 4. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this box now, we're missing 8 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this box, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 5. But I don't see any other help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 6, 6 here, so 2, 8, and no help here, 2, 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 6. 3 and 6 here, so this is our 1. That makes this our 6, 3. For this box now, we're missing, oh, that 6 makes this our 2, 8, 6. That 8 makes this our 9, 8. So now for this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. For this box, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this row, we're only missing a 4. For this row, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. That 6 makes this our 8, 6. For this top row now, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 2. 3 here, so 9, 3. And for this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 2. 9 here, so 1 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.